Hi friends, welcome back to ARC Tutorials. In today's AI app of the day, we are reviewing Fireflies. So if you are looking for an AI app to increase your productivity, transcription, and taking notes of your meeting, look no further. Fireflies helps you with that. Remember, an app a day to power your today. All right, so what exactly is Fireflies.ai? Fireflies AI is an AI meeting assistant that automatically records, transcribes, and summarizes your virtual meetings. It integrates seamlessly with all the popular video conferencing platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams. The AI can identify key topics, speakers, and action items to creating a searchable and shareable transcript. Alright, what are some of the features of Fireflies? It is automated transcription, which means it generates accurate and time-stamped transcripts for all your meeting recordings. The AI powered summaries, it can give you a concise and clear summary of key topics. Remember, each of these transcripted notes are totally searchable. That means you can easily find specific moments in a meeting by searching. It can also do speaker identification to distinguish between the speakers and label their contributions. The best part is that Firefly can be integrated with top 40 popular applications like Teams, Google Meet, Slack, Notion, etc. You can also get the topic and the sentiment analysis identifying the key theme. What are some of the pros? It's a massive time saver. If you are working in sales, marketing, or working with clients, or even for that matter, product development, you will need to take meeting notes. All of that can be automated with AI using Fireflies. Its high accuracy, the transcription engine is very reliable even in meetings with multiple speakers. It helps in team collaboration by sharing the notes of who said, who attended, who did not attend, etc. All the details are searchable, which means you can find information about a past meeting quickly and easily. Fireflies offers a generic free plan, which is pretty generous in terms of you can try all the core features. Remember, it comes with strong security, which is data is encrypted and stored securely to protect sensitive information. What are some of the cons of Fireflies? It can miss some of the nuances, like say it cannot capture the full context or subtleties of a conversation. Dependency on call quality, that means if you're joining from a poor audio network or something, transcription may be affected. Again, it's an AI app and tool, so it's not a replacement. You can't really replace the entire system, but you can always use it as an AI assistant. The free tier comes with some limitations, but you should go with an enterprise or a business plan to explore more features. Some attendees might not be comfortable with an AI bot recording their conversation, right? So this is an important aspect. Talking about the pricing, Fireflies offers a free plan with a limited number of transcription hours. They also offer pro and business plans, which have more credits and more advanced features. Demo time, let's go ahead, check out fireflies.ai. That's the website you would go, and you can see it is the number one note taker for your meetings, but not just a regular note taker, it's an AI based app. If you scroll down, it would record, it would capture all the details that were discussed during a meeting. It would involve notes, metrics, all of that. High quality meeting transcription and recording, so you can probably it can transcribe 100 plus languages. It has 95% accuracy, which is pretty high compared to what other AI apps would give you. It has auto language detection and speaker recognition. This is all. It can provide you a good summary of what was discussed during the meeting. It can also capture and searchable, like I said, AI powered search. You can search the past meetings and get specific summaries out of it. Talking about the pricing, like I said, they offer you a free plan, so go ahead, try this out. It has unlimited transcription, but comes with certain it's a bot meetings basically and not full-fledged transcription. You get 800 minutes of storage per seat. It has unlimited, it has limited AI summaries. So if you're a business, go with the business pro or business plan. If you are someone creator, marketer who is trying to explore this app, you should go with the free plan and go ahead and explore all the features, and then go ahead and choose your the plan accordingly. That's all in today's AI app of the day review. I hope you like it. Do let me know in the comment section if you have tried it. If you want to be featured on our tutorials, write to me at surya.aradhya@gmail.com. Please do share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Till then, see you. Take care.